guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rashmi. Today I'm here with a glow mask for your face. This is a really simple mask with very simple ingredients which you will find in your kitchen. Do this once a week or whenever you feel like it. Today I have some oil in my hair. I have some stuff in my hair. I'm about to go wash my hair. So I like to do this messy stuff right before I wash my hair, because if then it gets in my hair, it all gets cleaned out easily and there's no smell or whatever. And these home remedies or home ingredients are so effective in making your skin glow. Like, if you put an effort in your skin, if you take care of your skin, if you do skincare, then it shows and people notice, and you will feel good about yourself too. If you have dull skin, dry skin, if you feel like your skin is starting to age, you feel wrinkles, or if you have acne marks, you have pigmentation, brown spots, dark spots, whatever, these simple small remedies at home which you do on a regular basis will start showing results. And but you have to be consistent, you have to do it. You can mix and match any ingredients that you like. You don't have to have all the ingredients at all times. If you're missing one or two, that's fine, it doesn't matter. And just mix up whatever you have at the moment and just slap it on your face, leave it on for 20 minutes, and then step in the shower, wash it off. And trust me, slowly over a period of time you will start seeing difference. So let's begin with the mask. So here I have some lemon juice. It's like a half teaspoon of lemon juice, not much. We don't want to make it too runny, so I'm not going to take too much of lemon juice. So the next ingredient I have is yogurt. I'm just taking barely half a teaspoon. We do not want to make too much and have to store it or use it later. I like to use fresh. So just half a teaspoon of yogurt into the lemon juice. Then the next one which you can use is the scrub from my brand. It's called Saffrice Mask. It's a mask and a scrub 2-in-1. It has a lot of ingredients in it, organic good ingredients which help with anti-aging, glow, exfoliation, all that good stuff. So you can either just add this in your mask and you're good to go, or if you don't have this, by the way, this one you can find on my website www.myGlamUSA.com. So if you don't have the mask, then what you can do is, the main thing you will need is some millet tea powder, which is licorice root powder. I will link all the ingredients down below in the description box. So we're just going to take like maybe just a quarter teaspoon of the licorice root powder and throw it in the mask. I have some ground up oatmeal over here. I just took some regular plain oatmeal without any flavor, and I've already ground it up in the mixie, and just gonna take like half a teaspoon of the oatmeal powder and put it in the mask. Next thing we're gonna use is turmeric. This is the wild turmeric. You can even use the kitchen turmeric, that's fine, but if you have wild turmeric, it's better. So we're just gonna take barely like quarter teaspoon of the turmeric and add it in there. Next thing we're gonna take is some camu powder. Now you can either take the camu powder, or you can take some orange peel powder or lemon peel powder. Now how you're gonna make that is, you just whenever you are done eating oranges or you peel a lemon, you just take the peel, the peel which we throw away. Just don't throw it away, leave it outside in the sun to dry, and then just put it in the mixie jar and mix it up, make a powder out of it. So that's how you can get the orange peel or the lemon peel powder. So you can either do that, you can either buy from Amazon directly if you would like that, or you can use the camu powder. Now this one is also very high in vitamin C. It has more vitamin C than the orange or the lemons. So since I have it, I'm going to use it today. And I'm just going to use very little, like quarter teaspoon of the camu powder. So I have thrown everything in there. And the main ingredient, the main base that we're going to make this mask is with rice flour, okay? So you can just put the rice in the mixer and make a powder out of it. That's how you can get your rice powder, or you can buy it online on Amazon or at any of the Indian grocery stores. You can buy the rice powder. If you don't have rice powder, you can even use the chickpea flour, which is called Besan. You can use that instead. And since I have my mask, and this mask is made in a base of rice flour, it already has a lot of these ingredients plus more. So I'm just gonna use this one today, but you can definitely just use the rice powder and make a mask out of it. So I'm just gonna use half a teaspoon, just gonna throw it in there, and then I'm just gonna mix everything up in my bowl. I'm also gonna add just a tad bit of honey in there, because honey also is very, very good for moisturizing the skin. So just like a quarter teaspoon of honey, very little. We don't need too much. Okay. And one more thing. Now, if you have oily skin, then you're good to go. You don't need to add anything else. The yogurt, even though I know it is a little oily, it makes the skin, it is very, moisturizing, but it has lactic acid in it. It lightens and brightens your skin. So even if you have oily skin, I still suggest using yogurt to mix this mask with. But if you have dry skin, then there's one more thing that I like to use. Since I have dryness on my face, I like to add a couple drops of my argan oil, Moroccan argan oil from myGlamUSA. This is also available on my website. So if you can either use my argan oil, you can use some other argan oil, or if you don't have access to argan oil, then you can always just add almond oil, coconut oil, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops, just so that I can make it more moisturizing for my skin. So any kind of oil that suits your face, just add it to your mask, and we have a super potent, beautiful mask ready for us, which is going to exfoliate our skin. It's going to make it brighter, lighter. It's going to help us with our brown spots and acne marks and scars. If you have any light pigmentation, it's going to help with that as well. And main thing is it's going to make our skin glow. So I'm using a brush. Okay, one more very important thing. My skin is washed, it's clean, it's washed. I have nothing on my face right now. So you make sure that whenever you apply any mask, your skin is very, very clean. So another thing that you can do is just take some rose water on a cotton pad and wipe your face with it, just to give it a more cleaner effect. If you just had makeup on, you took your makeup off, and you want to clean your skin a little more, then that's fine. Otherwise, just wash your face, make sure your skin is clean, and then start applying the mask. Now we're gonna leave this mask on for about 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, when I step in the shower, I'm gonna straight step in the shower to remove this mask. I'm not going to get on at the sink and wash it. You can, of course you can do that, but since I'll be stepping in the shower, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet up this mask a little more again with my hands. I'll get some water on my hands. I'll wet the mask, and then in circular motions, I'm going to rub it on my skin so that I can exfoliate the dead skin off of my face before washing this mask off. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna simply wash this mask off with water, and then I'm gonna wash my face with my regular face wash, and I'm going to have really nice and glowy skin, and I will show you the results of that once I am done. So I'm gonna leave this mask on my face for 20 minutes, and I'll wash it off, and I'll come back and show you. And always make sure to apply anything, whatever you do to your face, make sure you always include your neck, because Hi guys, so I'm back after taking a shower, and I am not sure if you guys can tell or if the glow is coming through on camera or not, but this is my skin after my shower, and I haven't applied anything yet, but I can definitely feel for myself it's gotten much softer and shinier. It's glowing, and if there is any tanning, pigmentation, any spots, they have been lightened for sure. So do try this mask, guys. It's so easy. It's like at-home stuff that you have in your fridge. You don't have to have all the ingredients that I showed you. Whatever you have, just mix it up and throw it on your face, and slowly, if you keep doing it consistently, your skin will start improving. You will see a difference. So after this, I'm just gonna apply my vitamin C serum from myGlamUSA. I'm not sure if this is coming through, but I think it's too bright. The light is too bright. But you can find the vitamin C. It's a 20% vitamin C serum. You can buy it from my website www.myglamusa.com. I'll link it below. So this is all I'm going to apply on my skin. Wait for 15 minutes and then I will apply the argan oil after that. This is the Moroccan argan oil which I showed you earlier that I mixed in the mask as well. So this is what I'll apply for moisturizing my skin, and I'm done. And I hope you guys like the video. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be coming with many more of these kind of masks and remedies, and hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.